Unitysystems Solutions. ASUS Zenbook 14 Flip OLED 2023. The versatile Zenbook 14 Flip OLED is everything you need for your busy on-the-go lifestyle. A compact space-saving design and ultra-reliable 360-degree ergo lift hinge make Zenbook 14 Flip OLED a versatile companion for work or play. You can use it in laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode, or anything in between. And you can take your pick of two sophisticated colors, Ponder Blue and Foggy Silver. Ponder Blue is inspired by silent nights spent alone, and it projects professional wisdom and introspection. Foggy Silver is an introspective silvery white that echoes stability, purity, and healing vibes, with a finely sandblasted feel. Processor, 13th Gen, Intel Evo Core i5-1340p processor, 1.9 GHz. 12 MB cache, up to 4.6 GHz turbo boost, 12 core, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A. .2x Thunderbolt 4 supports display power delivery, 1x3.5mm combo audio jack, 1x HDMI 2.1 TMDS. Memory, 8GB LPDDR5 onboard RAM. Storage, 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Display, 14.0-inch touchscreen 2.8K, 2880 by 1800, OLED glossy display having 16:10 aspect ratio. 0.2 milliseconds response time. 90 Hz refresh rate. 400 nits brightness and 550 nits HDR peak brightness. Graphics, Intel Iris Xe graphics. ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, comfortable typing experience. Your comfort is our highest priority. That's why the ASUS ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. The full-size 19.05mm key pitch is the same as a desktop keyboard, so you can whiz through your work with superb typing comfort and accuracy. Dished keycaps 0.2mm. Long key travel 1.4mm. Ultra smooth touchpad. The hydrophobic coating applied to the ErgoSense touchpad has a high water contact angle. This means the nanotech-like surface provides smoother feedback for every scrolling movement. It's like touching silk. The FHD infrared (IR) camera allows you to unlock your laptop quickly and securely. It also powers an adaptive dimming feature that darkens your screen when you look away. ASUS Pen 2.02 is an MPP 2.0 compliant stylus with 4096 pressure levels, ultra-low latency and fast response, so it accurately reproduces the finest lines and the broadest brush strokes. It also features a 5 to 350 gram pen tip force, a handy multi-function shortcut button, and fast USB-C charging. The 4 switchable pen tips replicate the feel of different pencil types for natural feeling writing or drawing. The 360-degree hinge provides a full range of viewing angles. More battery power. To let you work or play all day with fewer visits to the power outlet, there's a high-capacity 75 Wh battery in Zenbook 14 Flip OLED. And when it does need a charge, the fast charge technology tops it up to 60% capacity in as little as 49 minutes, so there's no need to break your flow.